Hi, this is Racha. In this video, I'm showing you how to knit garter stitch. Basically, what garter stitch is, the stitch that produced when we knit every row using straight needle. I'm going to be using this double point needle to knit because I'm not going to do a very long line. I'm only going to try 10 stitches just for demonstration. So I'm gonna go ahead and cast on 10 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'm gonna start my first row with knit. Stick that needle in, wrap it, and bring it forward. Knit. And you do this on the first row, on the second row, on the third row, and every row. So the end result will be the pattern that look a little rough, not as smooth as the stockinette stitch. Garter stitch produce a little ridge, and you will start to see once you knit a little more, so you can seeing this little ridge forming. So I'm doing one more row just so you know. And garter stitch is good when you begin learning and want to knit scarf, because all you have to do is just knit. So if you were to make a scarf, you just cast on, like, depend how wide scarf you want, you can cast on about 40 or 50 stitches, and then start knit all the row, and you will get a nice long scarf with garter stitch. So here's how it look. So you just keep doing like that, and that's called garter stitch. Okay.